Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I am your host, Ida, and today we're going to be doing some lighted glitter cane wreaths. Yes, I found this wreath, cane wreath, in the Montgomery Ward's Christmas catalog, and I really fell in love with it. It's a rustic, kind of glamish wreath. It's made with burlap, and it has mistletoe on it, it has glitter on it, and it has lights on it. So I set out to make this wreath on a budget. Originally from Montgomery Ward's is $89.99, and we're going to make it for a whopping $6 or less. Yes, $6 or less. And it could be less than $6 because you can use a different type of lighting. So guys, if you want to see how I took this $89 wreath and made it using $6, then just continue to watch. Guys, I really would love to have your family be our family. So if you have family members or friends that are not a part of our YT family as of yet, please think about inviting them by coming up here and hitting that red subscribe button, and then a bell will come up. Hit that bell twice so you will never ever miss an upload from us. Guys, like this video. Go ahead, hit the like button right now so you won't forget. Hit it. Yes, thank you. And the last thing, share our video so we can get 50,000 subscribers before my 50th birthday. So guys, this is pretty much self-explanatory. You're going to wrap one wreath going to your right, and you have to make sure you flip the other cane wreath form and make it on the left, because if you cover both of them the same way, you will not be able to crisscross your wreaths. You'll see what I mean in just a moment. So I'm just using burlap that I had. I brought a big roll 2 years ago, and so I have plenty of burlap just around the house. So I didn't have to buy anything because everything I had already. But the Dollar Tree has the cane wreath forms. They have lighting if you need it. They have the ribbon. So you can do all of this from Dollar Tree if you would like. I just added some remote lights to make it easier to turn it off and on when I put it on my door. And see, this is what I mean, guys. You have to make sure that you flip one of the canes to the opposite side so you can do your crisscross pattern like this. If you do both of them the same way, you will not be able to. Now the ribbon on the wreath is kind of a rustic, glamish, a rustic feel. So I'm going to take this $2 ribbon that I got from Dollar General, and it's too wide. It's 4 inches wide. So I'm going to take and I'm going to fold it in half, and I'm going to use it that way to wrap around the wreath. So guys, I've told you how to fix the wreath or how to make the wreath, and so now I'm just going to be quiet and I'm going to let you guys look at me making the wreath. And guys, it's really easy. It is so easy to do. Anybody can do it. You can do it with your grandchildren, and you can do these for Christmas gifts, and people can have it for years and years. My daughter is 28 years old now, and she made me a wreath when she was 5 years old, and guys, I still have that wreath to this day, and it goes on my door every year. Now guys, I wanted to tell you one thing. At the top, if you want to get your ribbon exactly the way the Montgomery Ward's one is, you're going to have to cut it and restart it again, because if not, it's not going to fold right over your wreath form. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So yeah, enjoy, 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 and I will be back momentarily. Fam, I did want to come back and tell you that I used 377 to spray adhesive to spray over the wreath, and then I glittered with iridescent glitter. Yeah, I use iridescent glitter. I use different sizes of the iridescent glitter, but I wanted to let you know that I did use a spray adhesive to put the glitter onto the wreath. I used a piece of the ribbon to make a hanger, and I'm going to use command strips to hang it up on the door. And you will see down in the bottom left hand corner, I have glued the battery pack down to the inside of the wreath form so that I can screen the lights. I'm going to thread the lights throughout the ribbon and around and down all over the wreath so the lighting could be everywhere. And as I said, I did get some remote control lights. I got these from Amazon. If I can find a link, I'll remember to leave it down in the description box. But if not, Dollar Tree carry lights as well. And the only thing is you just have to turn them off and on by hand. But yes, I just want to let you guys know that I did thread the lighting throughout the wreath through the ribbon. I really would like for you to do me this big favor. On January 28th, I turned 50 years old, and I really want to have 50,000 subscribers on my 50th birthday. So if you can, share this video with at least 5 people. And if you know someone that does not have a YouTube channel yet, sign them up so they can and get them to become a part of our YT family. I would love to reach 50,000 on my 50th birthday. So that's what I want for my birthday present, guys. So please go ahead, share it with 5 people. Ask those 5 people to become a part of our family so we can reach our goal of 50,000 subscribers.